Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to export WooCommerce orders. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Then, locate the WooCommerce menu on the left-hand side. This process allows you to easily extract crucial sales data, helping you manage your store more effectively. We will cover both the built-in option and a more robust plugin solution, ensuring you have all the tools you need for successful data management. To use the built-in tool, go to WooCommerce, then Orders, and find the Export button at the top. You can choose which columns to include, like Order ID, Customer Name, and Product Details. You can also filter by order status, such as processing or completed, and specify a date range. Finally, click Generate CSV to download your file, which is a simple and quick way to get your basic order information. For more advanced needs, consider a dedicated export plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. These plugins offer extensive filtering options, allowing you to select orders based on product, coupon used, or even payment method. Many also provide the ability to schedule automatic exports, saving you time and ensuring your data is always up to date. You can often export to formats beyond CSV, such as XML or Excel, providing more versatility. When exporting, always remember to regularly back up your order data. This is a crucial step for data security. After exporting, take a moment to review your files to ensure all the necessary information is present and accurate. This data is incredibly valuable for analyzing sales trends, understanding customer behavior, and making informed business decisions. Always prioritize customer data privacy and handle sensitive information responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.